Hey guys, what's up? This is Shori from eGadgets for you, and in this video we do have this Amazon Echo Dot, the third generation one. So I've recently purchased this particular thing from Amazon Prime Day sale. Got it for 2,500 bucks. The link is in the description, you can check it out. And in this video we will do the unboxing and also see how to set up this Amazon Echo Dot. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, here is a box and the Echo Dot at Alexa 20 room. The Amazon branding is over here, and also it says explore thousands of skills, and you can see a lot of options like ESPN Cricinfo, Ask, Ola, You, JioSaavn, Amazon Prime Music, Zomato, everything is included over here. Like I said, it's printed over here, a price of 4,500, but I've got it for 2,500. You can check the link in the description as always, and I'm just going ahead and cutting off the seal for the very first time and opening the box. Here you find the Echo Dot. It's in gray color, as you can see. You can also get it in a black as well as in a dark mode of color. A blue color is also available currently, but I've opted for the gray one. Let's see, keeping aside this particular thing, let's check out the other things that comes in the box. You find some documentations over here, as you can see, the Echo Dot and stuff like that. Everything about this particular device is written over there, and also how to set up the entire things are like written over here. Okay, this is the charging cable that you can find over here. It says 24 volt of input and output of 12 volt, as you can see, and of course along with that you find this particular cable, which is as expected. You can see that this particular connection goes over here just like that. And how to set this up particular thing, to do that I'm just keeping aside the rest of the things, and for now opening this particular box, and you can so unveiling the Echo Dot over here. And of course, as expected, if I bring the charger point over here, this particular connection goes on like this over here, and I'll put this in the plug point and let's get started. So this is Echo Dot, as you can see, and I have actually powered on this particular device. I've just kept the power outlet to this particular device. I'm keeping it over here, and now I need to set this up. So at first I'm powering on the device for the very first time. So I switched on the power, and you see the light is glowing over here. So you just need to wait at first. Now let me tell you, to set up this particular device you will need a laptop or a mobile phone. I'll show you how to set up using a mobile, because nowadays everybody has a mobile, so it's the easiest way out, I figured. So you see the light turns orange and you hear a sound.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
So I'm bringing my mobile over here. I've already downloaded the Amazon Alexa app, so I'm opening the app right now, and once I've opened it, you will see that this is a particular screen, the first screen that appears in the Alexa app. I'll go to the devices and go to Echo and Alexa over here at the left hand top corner, and I'll go to this Echo Dot device. And at first I need to link the wireless network, because without registering the network with the Echo Dot it won't recognize it. So I'm going to change over here, and it says, is your Echo Dot plugged in and displaying an orange light? You can see that the Echo Dot is displaying the orange light, so I hit yes over here. And in the next screen it says searching for device. So it has already searched my device, Echo Dot N9G. Now it asks me to select the Wi-Fi network. After I have selected that, here is my Wi-Fi network. I'll quickly go ahead and give my password. So given my password, I'll just hit connect over here, and it says connecting your Echo Dot to Wi-Fi. Make sure the device is nearby, plugged in and in pairing mode. So all those things are done, so just need to wait. Okay, you can hear a sound that makes sure that the Echo Dot is ready. Okay, it says Echo Dot is ready, so hit continue over here, and yeah, it's done. Let us just check the Echo Dot. Alexa, what is the weather tonight?
This evening, in Dankuni, West Bengal, you can look for partly cloudy skies, with temperatures around 83 degrees Fahrenheit.
Alexa, can you tell the temperatures in centigrade?
Temperature unit is set to Celsius.
Alexa, do I have any meetings scheduled for today?
I don't see a calendar set up. Want me to send a link to your phone to set up your calendar?
Alexa, can you buy me some groceries from Amazon store?
I'm sorry, I cannot deliver groceries from Null to you right now.
Alexa, can you call Shonali?
Did you mean Sonali Bhumik?
Yes, Alexa, call Sonali Bhomik.
Calling Sonali Bhumik's Alexa devices.
Okay, as you can see, it's calling my wife already. So yes, it has started working. So for now, I'll just go ahead and switch off the call.
The contact is not available. Would you like to leave a voice message on their devices?
No, Alexa, not right now. So as you can see, I have already set up the Alexa. Stay tuned, stay subscribed to my channel. I'll make much more videos with this particular Amazon Echo Dot and show you plenty of features like how to set up the Amazon Echo Dot using as a speaker with your laptops and your mobile phones and stuff like that. Stay tuned and stay subscribed for that. And if you like the video, please share it with your friends and families.